Hi everyone, we're off again on our railway. It's really hard to say sometimes. Railway, heritage, trail, obsession, passion, tour. So today we're going to doing a part of the North Loop. So it's still on the Railway Heritage Trail, and it's a 19-kilometre loop walk that goes from Bellevue to Mount Helena. We're not doing the whole loop, we're just doing a little bit of a section of it. So we're going to go from Parkerville to Mount Helena and return. So there's some points of interest on the way of lovely little small settlements. So we'll be going to Parkerville, Stoneville and then Mount Helena, and there's a cheeky little pub at each location. So we've got our lunch supplies ready to go. We're putting in our start location into the apps, Waze or whatever it is. And we've got a fidgety little munchkin in the back. Roops! There he is, you can just see his little head. Anyway, we'll be back when we get to the start point. Ciao!
Away, babes.
Jumping the tree.
Here we are, both of us.
Hey! And the third.
And this little lad.
Here he is. Leader of the pack.
We're early into the walk still, which is why we look so damn good. I just tried to send the drone up, and of course I had nightmares because thank you DJI. Wouldn't want it to be easy or anything. So I don't know if I can guarantee you any drone footage, which is a shame. But you know, when we stop at the pub, have a little look and see what we can do here. It's a very popular walk with lots of people and lots of cyclists. Hi guys. But we're in the early days of it yet, and it's quite good. Nice big wide paths, great for cycling, some nice views. Would have liked to, like I say, would have liked to got the drone up. We'll see how we go with that one. Anyway, let's put our best foot forward. Go! Hey there, yeah, so we're walking along, we just come across what we've worked out to be massive bush lemons. They're about the size of melons, they're huge.
About the size of my head.
It's about the size of Vauneta's head. Let's go and let's put it between our head. Here we go, here we go. Look how big they are. And they're lemons, they're not anything else. Isn't that just the weirdest, what is that? It's the weirdest thing. See, that's not going in any gin and tonic anytime soon.
No. Did you see the inside of it?
Yeah, I took a picture of it. Have you ever seen anything like that though? Mutant, award-winning.
Smells like a lemon.
Oh, it does. Yeah, it smells good. Viva la Bush lemons. Hey, all right.
Should have brought the gin.
Yeah, we should. Perhaps we'll get some at the pub. Say we bought our own lemons. All right, well, we're going to carry on. We're about halfway. Oh, no, quarter of the way?
Yeah, because we've got to return, don't we?
Yeah, so we're about quarter of the way. We just made it through Stoneville, had a nice walk on those rocks there. That tree got in the way, but I didn't see that at the time. And we're going to carry on. So we've got a bit of civilization to cut through, and then we're going to go back onto the old railway track, as it were. Have you got anything to say, Vauneta?
Just the fact that I haven't really seen any old railways, like the actual rail, the train rail. So not really sure how that all pans into the scheme of it, but I'm sure we'll find out. Nothing else to say.
Okay, let's go.